So Glenn says to me, so, you know what would be really good on pizza? Some egg and some bacon. I said, yeah, Glenn, it's called breakfast pizza. He'd never had breakfast pizza before.
Except we're having it for dinner. And so I understand, I did a little internet research, and I understand that if you have it for dinner, it's called the Aussie.
Either way, it's Glenn's first breakfast pizza
This is my first
ever.
breakfast pizza. So we make our own bacon. You can check out all our bacon making videos. And I really wanted to put it on a pizza. First, we fire up the Ooni Pro and get it real hot. We're using charcoal today. Back in the kitchen, we shape the dough, and that recipe is elsewhere on our channel. This pizza dough is super easy to shape. First, coat it in flour, put it on your bench, and then press the middle with your fingers to form an outer ring and an inner flat spot. Carefully pick it up, and it will pretty much stretch itself to the right shape and size. Back outside, Julie swapped the doors on the Ooni, and we're just about ready to go. I built this pizza on the peel because the eggs are super difficult and it makes it hard to get it off of the bench onto the peel once the eggs are on it. So I started off with crushed San Marzano tomatoes. I don't use sauce, just crushed tomatoes straight up. Then I hit this with some hot pepper flakes, our homemade bacon that's been pre-cooked, and then I poured on some eggs that I'd whisked in a bowl. Put on some fresh mozzarella. And we took it outside to the Ooni. Once in the Ooni, I turned the pizza a couple of times to make sure that it cooked evenly. And about 90 seconds later, we were done. Breakfast for dinner. I like that.
Like every pizza, good any time of the day.
Yeah, pizza's pizza. So I did sprinkle on some chili flakes because my thinking had been something like a shakshuka. Like a shakshuka on pizza. So I think a little bit more spiciness would really sort of amp this up.
I think you probably could have put even more on.
Yeah, I think so. And
We're
so getting this in to the pizza oven was a little bit difficult. You know, that
you can see it kind of
yeah,
over the edge a little.
eggs are a little splooshy, but
They're a liquid.
Yeah. So we showed you all the steps in making this, but we glossed over actually making the dough and shaping the dough. Those recipe videos are elsewhere on our channel, and we'll have like
Yes.
a
Bacon too,
yeah.
if you're really ambitious.
So you know, if you want to get in depth into how to make this pizza dough and how to shape this pizza dough, there are separate videos that just deal with that.
But that being said,
This is
pizza dough, you've got a different way, you've got a different style, you need to purchase some because it's a last minute choice. It all works out. You like it? Works for you?
I think the Australians are onto something.
I can't believe you've never had it.
Goes with the wine too.